This channel gets a lot of views by quizzes videos. Look at that, 4 million views, incredible. And it makes a lot of money as well. From $700 to $11K per month, that's crazy. It is a great salary for a side hustle. And it is incredible how it gained subscribers in just a few months. Are you prepared to start your own quizzes channel? I'm going to teach you how to create these kind of videos so that you can become a great YouTuber. Start making a great amount of money. First of all, go to ChatGPT and type on this prompt. It will take just a few seconds. Our video will contain 50 movies, and people will have to guess them by seeing emojis. ChatGPT starts working on it. If it gets stuck, just write continue. All right, now we have a lot of movies. I don't even know how many. We will see it later, haha. Important to ask ChatGPT to add a plus between the emojis. Now it is time to go to Canva. Once in Canva, choose YouTube video. Let's choose a nice background in Elements. You can search spiral backgrounds. They are good for these kind of videos. I like the orange one, but let's change the duration to 10 seconds. Now, let's start adding the title. You can choose whatever you like so that it looks unique. Just go to Effects and decide yourself. I like the Anton font. Guess the movie. Let me choose a nice background. I think red one looks great. What do you think? Now let's start adding the emojis and the name of the movie. Just copy-paste, so it is easier. If you are enjoying the video, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and like so that I know I am doing a great content. Thank you so much. Let's add the first movie. And I am going to change the color of the font so it looks better. All right, that looks better. Now, pressing the R, we are going to create a professional timer. You will see how easy it is. Find a good color that matches well with the background. And create this rectangle. Finally, another text for the name of the movie. Copy-paste again. This time, I will use a great outline so it doesn't look repetitive. What do you think? Make it bigger. Much bigger, ha ha ha. All right, now let's go to animations and choose whatever we like the most. If you want to learn how to create a lot of YouTube shorts in just a few minutes, you can watch this video. This is me deciding which animation is the best. Click on both. And for the timer, it is important to choose the wipe animation and to lower the speed to the minimum. Now it is time to start adjusting the timings. Just release the answer in the last seconds and keep the title. Let's see how it looks. Awesome. But I am going to show the answer a little bit more. Let's see this again. All right, now we are good to go. Next step, let's bulk create all the elements in our table. Go to Apps and search Bulk Create. Enter data manually and copy-paste the table. Alright, so there are many more movies than I thought. Make sure to add the proper titles on the top. Now we are going to connect the data. Right button of the mouse and connect each element to the chart. Now we generate our pages and the video is almost ready. Let's see the result. All right, but this looks so boring because it doesn't have music. I am going to add some of my music. As you can see, I have some songs. We just need to add them.
Finally, we are going to download our video. This time, I am going to choose not to create separate files because I want only one video. If you have problems when downloading the file because emojis disappear, just download it in mobile. It won't give problems there. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. See you soon.